Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Scholarships Corner. In this video we will talk about Turkish Government Research Scholarship 2021, and this is not a fully funded, this is a funded scholarship. So what documents required, where to submit, how to apply. So before the detail, if you are new to this channel, don't forget subscribe my channel for more best opportunities like fully funded scholarships, free online courses, internships and more informative videos. Turkish Research Scholarship is funded by the government of Turkey. Research scholarship is available to all national holders. Applicants will get some financial coverage. The scholarship is solely for BS, MS, postdoctoral students who are doing research at the dissertation stage. You can study any fields and any major under the Turkish government research scholarships. So if we talk about Turkish government research scholarships, scholarship for this country Turkey, duration 1 year, degree for this scholarship BS, MS and PhD. Deadline for apply this scholarship 13th September 2020 and 31st December 2020. Research scholarships has 4 application rounds. The third round is open until 13th September 2020. The fourth round will open 1st October, will close on 31st December 2020. Award types. There are 2 awards for Turkish students and international students. The first is Success Scholarships. For Bachelor, 450 Turkey Lira per month, and for Master, 600 Turkey Lira per month, and for PhD, 900 Turkey Lira per month. Second is Research Scholarships. If we talk about eligible criteria for these scholarships, application delivered by post, courier or by hand will not be acceptable. Applications are free of charge. So how to apply for Turkish scholarships? Application process is online through the online application portal. You need upload scan copies for documents in the application system. For apply this scholarship, click on this link. After clicking on the link, you can see that the official website has been opened. Before start the application, first you create your account. I have already created this account. The application has been opened. This application is divided into 10 steps. The first is personal information. The second is family information. In family information, you give mother name, father name, number of siblings, total monthly income. The third is contact info. In contact information, you give country, city, postal code, phone number, social media. The fourth is educational information. In educational information, you give high school information, middle school information. In language detail, you give information about native language, other language skills, Turkish language skills. In work experience, you give information about your experience, put your CV. In academic qualification, you give information about qualification. In social activities, if you have any award, project, certificate of social activities, you add here. Volunteer activities, you add here. After providing all the information, you click on submit. If you have any question about the scholarships, you can comment to me. See you with a new video. Allah Hafiz.